Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Anil. How are you?
I'm also good.
Right. Um, Today's Friday, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's the ninth. Yeah, right. Okay, yes, yesterday. I'm recollecting why we couldn't have our class. I was just trying to think, why didn't we have our class yesterday? I had to go and buy medicines. So I have come to Bombay. And
Okay.
this weekend I told you know, we have some rehearsals. So there's a
Yeah.
gentleman here who needed some urgent homeopathy medicines for his son.
Okay.
So his son has a tumor in the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is
Okay.
a very important gland in the brain.
Okay.
So they're doing they're exploring homeopathy to reduce the size of the tumor. So
Okay.
Kolkata, you get homeopathy medicines, all like a vast range of homeopathy medicines there. You don't get in
Mhm.
other parts of India.
Mhm.
So which is
Yeah.
why, so I had ordered a medicine. So that shop, I needed 200 grams of that. They didn't. They had only 30 grams. So they told
Okay.
me I had to come yesterday around 8 p.m.
Okay.
Which is why I had to call off our class.
Okay. Okay.
Now
No
I'm
problem.
just doing so many things. I'm so confused. Why?
Mhm. Yeah, sometimes
Right,
like
right.
if suppose if I have a tournament, so before tournament, like last night, I feel the same thing every time. Every time I feel the same thing. Like I I I I confuse like what I have to do and
I
which
get
work I have to.
confused.
I get confused which work I have to do first. Yeah, so
Hmm.
like that.
Yeah. And especially when it's like multiple changes, right? Like I changed your class. And I hate changing classes because again, people also get confused. Eventually,
Yeah,
it is possible that you may get confused also. Or kab hai class mera? Some
yeah. No,
students of mine
I
don't.
just check. Yeah.
Huh,
Yes, yes.
sorry. You check the messages, is it?
Yes, yes, I checked the message. So that's why every time I requested you that ma'am send me message so I can check the message and I will
Right, right.
join. Yeah.
Yes, you have a trail, no? You have a trail. You can check the history, your message history, right?
Yes.
No,
Yeah.
so yesterday, so today morning, early morning, I came to Bombay, right? So I had to
Mhm.
take the notebooks of all the students whose classes I have today.
Yeah.
So all that I had to plan because I'm not बोरिया बिस्तर बांध के तो नहीं आ रही. I'm coming on. I've come here only for 4 days. I'm going to go back on the 12th late night. That flight
Okay.
I'll take from Pune because tomorrow
Mhm.
morning we are going to Pune. Early morning again.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will. Tonight less sleep. Been sleeping
Okay.
less. Yesterday night slept less. Tonight I'll sleep less. Early morning
Yeah.
we have to, like, the cab will come at 5:30. But
No,
it's
so
okay.
this show is organized by you, like you are going to
No,
host
no, no.
this show or what?
No, 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 no. I'm a participant in the show. So this is
Okay.
actually an event that has happened a couple of times. Happened in Bombay, it happened in Pune, it happened in Kolkata, it happened in
Mm.
another city in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
So with modifications, not the same songs, different songs. Some songs remained common, and some were
Mhm.
modified. Now
Okay.
this one is happening. This show is happening in a. There's a huge ashram of ours near Pune,
Hmm.
like 1.5 hours from 2 hours from Pune. It's
Okay.
a beautiful place, like surrounded by mountains and all. And that place, you have they have an annual music and dance festival in February.
Okay.
6th
Hmm.
to 8th of February is this annual music and dance festival. And this
Okay.
time, this show will be featured. This will be a part of that festival.
Hmm.
So,
Okay.
Abhi, I've come for rehearsals.
Okay.
So tomorrow
No,
we'll go to that place. It's
what is the benefit of participating? Is that they will give you some trophies or monies? What is the benefits
money, money,
participating is
money. No,
money?
no, not money. No, no, no. They won't give me money. You
Okay.
said monies. I corrected that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
For me, actually, I'm not a professional, no? See, there are
Okay.
professional musicians who are a part of this, like you have the
Mm.
keyboard and tabla and all
Mm.
of them.
Mm.
I have been
Mm.
a member of this organization since my childhood. The
Okay.
person who founded this organization is my spiritual guru. He
Okay.
is, उनकी समाधि हो गई.
Mm-hmm.
this is organization is called Chinmaya Mission. It's an
Mm-hmm.
international organization,
Okay.
spiritual Vedanta, for Vedant studies.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been
Mm-hmm.
a member since my childhood.
Okay.
So for us, they will reimburse our travel cost and everything. That's all we will do. I don't want to be paid because after all, it's family.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's my contribution. It's my Guru Dakshina. Every time I
Yeah, I
participate in
understand.
these events, it's my Guru Dakshina. And also, I get to practice my music. Frankly, otherwise, music practice takes becomes least priority.
Yeah. No,
If
actually,
everything,
yeah,
yeah.
whenever I talk with any dance practitioners or musicians, so they told me that I participated on that
In
function, and then yeah, sorry.
I participated in that function, not on.
In okay, in that function, and they paid us. And
Huh.
but if we are going to participate in a tournament of karate, so you ask me the money. So th
Mm.
there was that question.
Of
So that's
course.
why I'm
So
asking
obviously, a
you. Yeah,
performance is different, a competition is different. Yours is a
definitely.
tournament. I
Yeah.
will, like, for example, so I also do perform as a professional where,
Hmm.
somebody calls me, like, I'm a part of a group of musicians, then I
Hmm.
definitely get paid.
Okay.
But here, this is being organized by us. Like in Kolkata, the event
Hmm.
happened in Kolkata on 8th of November.
Okay.
November 2025 it happened. I told for which also my brother was raising funds.
Hmm. Yeah.
It was not for the event, but the event
Mhm.
was also a sorry. The event was also a fundraiser for the school in Sundarbans. So
Okay.
this event happened. This event happened in GD Birla Sabhagar. You may have heard of Birla Mandir in Kolkata.
Yes. Yes.
So there's
Yes.
an
Yes. I heard.
auditorium below Birla Mandir called GD Birla Sabhagar. It's a big auditorium.
Okay. Hmm.
So that's where it happened. So when it happened in Kolkata, I did all the I was a part of the organizing group, organizing everything, and people came. So all the participants came from different parts of the country.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, they stayed there for 3 days before, 4 days before the event and practiced.
Mm-hmm.
So like that. Now these people have invited us, so we are coming. So they will reimburse our travel costs, but beyond that, it's our seva. It's our offering.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, understand. Like in karate also, like those are very interested to participate any kind of training seminar or anything. They just visit it. They visit the other country also, the other state to learn something like that, maybe because this is your rehearsal. So you are also participating like a learner, type of learner, like you are
Yeah,
doing
yeah, I'm
something
learning. So
practice. Yeah.
now this rehearsal,
Yeah.
exactly. So I've come now for the
Yeah.
rehearsal. I'll come back again for the actual program in February.
Yeah.
6th to 8th, again I have to come back. I have to be here.
Mhm.
7th of February is our show, but 6th to
Mhm.
8th is the event, is the camp, the music and dance
Yeah.
festival. So I'll be
And
there also
what is,
because my yeah.
yeah, yeah, continue, ma'am, continue.
No, no, you are. Tell me what was the question?
No, the question was like, and what about your expenses? Like you,
So the travel
yeah,
expenses they will bear. They will
okay.
bear the travel expenses, yes.
Mhm. Okay.
But they won't
Mhm.
pay anything like because after I don't we don't require also. See, for this
Mhm.
place I will take travel expense. Some places I did not even take travel expense because it's okay. It was our
Mhm.
offering.
Yeah.
So anyway, right. So that's it. So today I came from Kolkata to Bombay. I at the airport I shed my coat and my thermals and my shawl. After so
Because of
many days,
heat.
I the summer warmth, I could feel today
Yeah.
after so many days. But tomorrow, where we are going, that'll again be cooler.
Okay. Yeah, that place maybe
Pune, it's
would be
near
cold.
Pune,
Yeah.
and it's
Mhm.
open, and you have the Sahyadri Hills and all, so it'll be very
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, I heard about like from the Pune, nearby the Pune, there is so many hills and
Yes.
the like my one of my friend, his stay and he have a academy. His name is
He
Santosh,
stays
I think.
and he has. He stays and he has. Third person
He has.
singular.
he has, and he stays in Pune. And the another friend is not like we are thinking we are friend, like, but he is his age is approximately 60 plus, and his name is also Anil. He stays in Satara districts.
Okay, okay. Do you
Yeah.
think friendship has is to be made only with those who of your age group?
No, not like that. Like in karate, earlier I thought like this, like we need to understand to each other, so we have we have to choose the same age. But when I entered in this world, then understand the friendship doesn't need
Understood?
understood, doesn't need that age or anything. Like anyone become a friend, like who is very smaller, or maybe that person
Younger,
would
not
be,
smaller.
yeah,
Small is size.
okay,
Younger
it's younger, yeah,
or older.
yes,
It
or
could be
older,
somebody
yes,
younger than you or older than you,
older than, yes,
right? Minds have
mm,
to match, right? Minds have to
yeah,
match.
man, yes, that's the
Okay.
important.
Let's start with a basic exercise today. I know we
Yeah,
had a topic. I hope you've prepared on that. What does
yes,
success mean to you? But before we
yeah,
go to that, let's do a quick warm up exercise.
okay,
Okay. So basically, this is a comprehension exercise. These are short, brief, these are basically notices, messages, texts from which we have to understand the meaning. I'm giving you an example. Can you just read out these two lines?
okay. The office printer will be replaced next week. Please limit printing to essential document only in the meantime.
Yeah. So this is probably a communication at a workplace. So what
Mhm.
which of the next three options correctly means this?
Okay,
Which of the three options A, B, C
the office
is
printer is
correct
currently
with
out of
reference to
service,
this?
and next week the office printer will be replaced. The office printer will be replaced today. The B one, the
The next
next
week,
week the
office printer
printer will
will
be
be
replaced.
replaced. Is correct. So now good. So you got it. Now let's look at some of the five such texts. Okay. Look
Okay.
at the first one. It's an email.
Okay, email. Dear team, remember we have moved out weekly meeting
Our
from one
moved our. We
moved
have moved our, not moved
our.
out.
I said our
आप
so
आपने
our
out बोला.
out. Okay, so
हाँ.
our is the correct pronunciation or not? Our
R. R.
R R. Okay,
हाँ.
dear team, remember we have moved our weekly meeting from Monday to Wednesday for this week only. This is this is due to staff illness. Remember,
Okay.
we
R.
have moved our weekly meeting from Monday to Wednesday for this week only. This is okay.
Okay. Wednesday. Try saying Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes. That's how it is pronounced by native speakers. Wednesday. Monday,
Wednesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Wednesday.
Okay. Wednesday.
Okay, so which of these three options is correct about this email?
The weekly meeting is cancelled this week. The weekly meeting will be held on both Monday and Wednesday. It is not. Okay, B1, ma'am.
B. Weekly meeting will be held on both Monday and Wednesday.
No, no, Monday to Wednesday. So the weekly meeting is cancelled this week. This week. The one like A because there
Has it
is
been
and with.
cancelled?
Yes.
Has it been cancelled? It has been moved from Monday to Wednesday for this week. इसी हफ्ते के मंडे से इस हफ्ते के वेंसडे को मूव किया है. So do you say
Mhm.
it has been cancelled?
No, this is not cancelled.
It has just been shifted. Monday tha, it has moved to Wednesday. So the
Hmm.
correct option is
Somebody is not well.
yes, somebody is not well. Okay, look at this. Second one.
Notice wet floor. Cause floor is wet.
Caution,
Please
caution, caution.
caution, caution, caution. Floor,
Savdhan. Caution means savdhan.
Savdhan. Floor is wet. Please watch your step. The floor is wet. Please go back. There is step on the wet floor that needs to wash. The floor is wet and you should be careful while walking. See,
That's correct. Please watch your step means you should be careful while walking. Next one.
warning, warning, noise restrictions. Loud music is not permitted after 10 p.m. Please respect your neighbors and keep noise level to a minimum. Okay, you must use headphone to listen to music. You can't play loud music after 10 p.m. Loud music is only allowed before 10 p.m. if it is played through headphones. You can't play loud music is not permitted after 10 p.m. Please respect your neighbors. I think C because he can
Where?
play that
But
music.
where is
Yeah.
where is headphones mentioned
No, like
in the
loud music
notice?
is only allowed before 10 p.m. Okay, if it is played through headphones, you use headphone, listen to music. Then
It
the B1, the B1.
B1 only allowed before 10 p.m. if it's where is it written? It is not permitted after 10 p.m. That's all. This is not mentioned. This is to confuse you. Don't get
Okay.
confused by all of this. हाँ ज्यादा
Mm.
लिखा है तो सही है नहीं है ऐसा कुछ
No,
भी नहीं है
I
कोई
thought
ज्यादा बोल
no, actually I thought that
हाँ
if you use
often what
headphone,
happens yeah
yeah,
yes often
then
what
that would
happens
be
we use see this is what we do in real life communication so only
mm,
somebody says only so much और हम कुछ और ही उसमें ऐड कर लेते हैं अपना
hmm,
सोच का so the
yes,
comprehension exercise is about sticking to the facts that are given
facts,
अपना
yes,
नमक मिर्ची नहीं डाल रहा है we don't have to add our understanding to it आपने
okay,
सोचा हाँ हेडफोन्स कम पहनने से नॉइस लेवल कम होगा पर वो तो इसमें लिखा नहीं है ना सो
yes,
दिस
yes,
इज अ
yes.
प्रैक्टिस ओके नेक्स्ट वन
Mhm. Text message. Hey Jack, want to join
जेक अच्छा जैक इज
J?
जे ए सी के इज जैक जे ए के
Mhm.
ई इज जेक
Jack. Okay. Hey Jack, want to join us for a hike on Sunday? What is hike, ma'am?
हाइक इज लाइक अ ट्रैक
Track. Okay.
ट्रैक
Yeah,
हाँ
I heard this word somewhere. The weather should be nice. We are aiming to start early in the morning, speak noon,
स्पीक सून
speak soon.
स्पीक
Okay.
सून स्पीक सून मीन्स जल्दी बात करते हैं
Hmm. Okay, speak soon, Mark. Okay. And then Mark is inviting Jack to hike. Mark is telling Jack about the hike. He is missed. The weather probably won't be good. A, ma'am. Mark is inviting Jack to a hike.
Correct. Very good. So sometimes some of these can be a little confusing. We have to be very
Mm,
clear in our mind.
yes, yes.
Number five.
Competition.
It's a
When when a designer ward road. What is this, ma'am? Wa-
win a designer wardrobe. A wardrobe,
Wardrobe.
wardrobe is basically अलमीरा जहाँ पे कपड़े
Almirah.
रखते हैं, उसको
Mm-hmm.
wardrobe बोलते हैं. We also mean by wardrobe means your collection of clothes.
Okay.
Okay,
Win
basically
a
it's a
designer
wardrobe is
wardrobe.
related to clothes. So win a
Mm.
designer wardrobe means win a lot of designer clothes.
Clothes. Okay. Enter now to win a wardrobe
Wardrobe,
makeover
yes. Hmm.
makeover by a top designer worth $5,000. Entry is free. Uh, partici- uh, Participates must be age
Participants,
six.
participants.
Participate Participants must be aged 16 or over. Deadline for entries January 15th.
You know what's a makeover, right? Any makeover means to improve something.
Improve. Yeah,
Like
okay.
कोई चीज को improve करना is a makeover. A wardrobe makeover
Mm.
means you'll get new clothes that will further improve your dressing style.
Mhm.
Okay? So this is a
Okay.
competition. It's the announcement for a competition.
Okay. Enter now to win a wardrobe makeover by a top designer worth 5,000. Entry is free. Participants must be age 16 or above. Deadline for entries January 15th. Okay, there is an entry fees for the competition. The competition is for those who want to new clothes. The competitions is open to those who want to new furniture. Fees for the competition. It is an entry fees. The competition is. So I think B1, ma'am.
Correct. That's right.
Mm,
So this is
okay.
one practice. We will do more such practice in the coming
Okay.
days. So one is to read this kind of material, we come across new words. Second is to
Yes.
actually understand what is being said without
Yes.
adding our own interpretation. या
Mm-hmm.
हमारी इंटरप्रिटेशन नहीं डाल के क्या बोला जा रहा है, क्या लिखा गया है, उसको
Mm-hmm.
समझना. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड
Yes.
कॉम्प्रिहेंशन.
Mhm.
Okay, coming to success. What is your
Comprehension is
definition of
correct,
no,
no?
comprehension means understanding. Correct
Understanding, okay.
understanding is comprehension.
Comprehension, okay. Mhm.
इसलिए reading comprehension means to understand a passage correctly. Listening comprehensions means listen and understand the passage correctly, an
Mm,
audio correctly.
okay.
So yes, so Anil, coming to success. What is your definition of success? Have you
Mm,
written anything? Then you can read
yes.
out from it.
Okay. First, I search that topic in like ChatGPT, and they give some points. So I haven't seen, or did
No,
you
I
see?
didn't see is correct. I didn't see.
I didn't see the written word. I just choose the topic. What is the topic? And like main points, not topic, the points.
Right,
Okay,
the subheadings.
subheadings. So according to that, I wrote something.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good.
Today's topic is what today today's topic is what is success?
What is
What is
success?
success
Okay,
for me? Is it correct?
okay. it's not wrong. The actual point sentence was, what does success mean to me?
Okay.
It's
So,
okay. What is success for me is also okay.
okay. So, according to me, my family's happiness is my success. If my family members are not happy, then how I feel happy or with
How will I
whom?
feel happy?
How, where is gone? How
How will I feel happy?
will I feel happy?
Okay, I will
Or,
not interrupt you now. You read it fully, then we will do it again. Okay, आप एक
okay,
बार पूरा पढ़ लो.
okay. I feel happy or with whom I share my happiness. Uh, and I feel if I am not fit either mentally or physically, then I am not success. Sometimes people think that I have money, car, a big house, and so many people working for and sorry, and many and just a second, a big house, and many people are working for me, so I am successful, a successful person. But if your friends and family members are not give respect to you, then this is not success. Respect is important more than money. If you work in one big company, that company also provide you good salary, house, car, etc. But you are not happy because this is your not passion. You don't like this work, mean you are not success. If you have lots of money but beggar, not get any help, and not even your friends nor your family members getting help from you, that's mean you are not success. This is according to me. I am not saying anyone to follow these.
जैसे ये लास्ट में ये क्या है, डिस्क्लेमर है क्या? ये नो, ये लाइक मूवी के पहले दिखाते हैं, दिस इज प्योरली अ वर्क ऑफ फिक्शन, दिस इज द ओपिनियन, या फिर न्यूज के पहले, दिस इज द ओपिनियन ऑफ द पीपल, द पैनलिस्ट्स, द चैनल इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल. तो ऐसे आप एक डिस्क्लेमर लास्ट में बैठा दिए. ऑफ कोर्स द पॉइंट, द टॉपिक इज व्हाट इज सक्सेस टू यू. So it is about you only. It is not about
No,
general
actually,
what success is.
yeah, I use you everywhere. So that's why
That's
I
okay. That's
wrote.
okay.
Yeah,
Now, can we just go back sentence by sentence? There are some suggestions I have, please.
this is. So first line, I also confused. The today's topic is
I got
what is,
confused.
I got confused.
ये
Today's
confused के
topic,
आगे में get got please use कीजिए. I get confused, I got confused. Okay.
okay. Today's topic is what is success for me. Is it correct? Okay.
Okay.
So
Or what,
according,
ideally, what does success mean to me?
no, actually I
Ideal
wanted to,
sentence वही होगा.
this is correct sentence or wrong? I wanted to
What
know.
is success for me is not wrong, but it is not the prettiest.
Okay. Okay.
ये सुंदर भी दिखना है ना. What is success for me? What does success mean to me?
Mhm.
Sounds better. That's all. Okay, keep it. I would rather you be original. You keep it as
Okay.
it is. Continue.
So according to me, my family's happiness is my success. If my family members are not happy, then how will I feel happy? Or with whom I share my happiness.
So with same, how will I, with whom will I share my happiness? Same, no? How will I be happy? With whom will I share my happiness?
With whom will I share my happiness? And if I feel, and sorry, I feel, and I feel if I am not fit either mentally or physically, then I am not success.
So this, yes. So this I am not success आपने दो तीन जगह लिखा है. I am not success is not correct. I am not successful. If you,
Successful.
I am not successful.
Okay. Not successful.
I am success. I am success. I am not success. जहां जहां लिखा है उसको करेक्ट कीजिए. I am not successful. डिफरेंस क्या है? If you want to use success, I am not a success. A success. वो success is a noun. Successful is an adjective.
Mhm.
बस इतना बेसिक मैं बताती हूँ. सक्सेस जो है नाउन है, संज्ञा है,
No,
और
no,
सक्सेसफुल जो है
नहीं, मुझे
एडजेक्टिव
जानना
है.
ये कि एडजेक्टिव और संज्ञा को ना समझाकर मुझे ये बताइए क्यों यूज किए इसको,
हाँ.
क्योंकि वो
सो
उसमें मैं
आई
कंफ्यूज होता हूँ एडजेक्टिव
I know,
और
I know. I don't
संज्ञा.
want, yes, I don't want, yeah, I don't want to go into the grammar. See, I am or I am not something. That something describes me.
Mhm.
That something, I am happy. He is brave. She is pretty. Happy, brave, pretty. These are words that describe the person, right?
Mhm.
Are
Okay.
you are you with me till here? Are you with me?
Yes.
Anil is strong.
Yes.
Describes you,
Yes.
right? So these are adjectives.
Okay.
Adjectives are describing words.
No, so
Okay?
when we
So,
we will use
uh,
success and when we will use successful.
it is not wrong to use success. I am saying use
Mm.
a before success because success is not an adjective. Success is a noun. I am not
Okay.
a success.
Okay. And success or successful?
No, I won't say. You cannot see. Success is a noun. Noun
Mhm.
में a होता है. Adjective में नहीं होता है.
No,
I
no,
am not successful. If you
I am
want to use
not.
I am not successful,
Okay.
that is the best way. That is the best.
Okay.
You can also say I am not a successful person.
Hmm. Okay. When we use at that moment we have to use success only. If we are
Yes.
not using then we use successful.
Successful. Correct.
Okay. No, I got my answer. Okay. Sometimes people think that
अच्छा.
I have.
अच्छा. ये sometimes. कभी कभी. That is SOMETIMES single word.
Hmm.
There are
Okay,
two words
sometimes.
like this.
So some is
Look at the
okay. Okay, sometimes.
sometimes. Sometimes means कभी कभी.
Okay.
This second one, sometime means थोड़ी देर. Okay, this
Okay.
is two words. Second one,
Okay.
some time. Please talk to me after some time. Please call me after some time. That is sometime. Sometimes means kabhi kabhi. That is one
Okay.
single word.
Okay. Sometimes people think that I have money, car, a big house, and many people are working for me. So I am successful person. But if your friend and family members are not give respect to you, then this
Acha.
is not success
हाँ.
here.
Yes, this is not success. Correct. Are not, okay, are not
Are
giving respect to you. Not
okay.
giving. Because
Mm,
is, am, are, remember continuous tense.
yes,
Are
yes.
not giving respect to you.
Okay, and give like in giving, GIVING, no?
That's right.
Okay. Giving respect to you. Then this is not success. Respect is important more than money.
Is respect is more important than money.
Yes, respect is important more than money. Is it correct?
Nahi,
Not
nahi, that more will have to come before important. Respect is
okay.
more important than money.
More important than money. Okay, that more is shifted here.
Yes.
Okay. Respect is more important than money. Okay. If you working one big company, that company
If you
also
work,
pro.
if you working, ing, or if you
Hmm,
work in, not
okay.
working. अगर
Work.
working कर रहे हो, then you have to use are, no? If you are
If you are,
working,
then you are. If you are working one big company, that company also provide you good salary, house, car,
that company,
etc.
third person singular, that company also provides. S, not
Provides,
provide.
provides you good salary, house, car, etc. But you are not happy because this is your not passion.
This is not your passion.
This is not your passion. Or you don't like this work. That mean you are not success.
You are not?
You are not successful.
No? Ah. Same, I am not successful. You are not successful.
Good. Okay. If you have lots of money but beggar not get any help, and not even your friends nor your family members getting help from you, that mean you are not
Mm, you are not?
successful. No,
Yes.
this
So,
this this sentence is correct.
I understood the sentence, but we can write it better. Beggar
No,
not get any help. Instead of that, if you don't help beggars, if you don't help
mm,
your family, or if you don't, instead of family not get help, friends not get help, you can put it like this: if you don't help people, beggars, or friends, or family, then you are not successful. The idea is you are doing well. I am going to tell you this, Anil. ये अच्छा है. The more we practice, the simpler it will get. जितना हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना सिंपल होगा, और सिंप्लिसिटी में ही सुंदरता है. It will happen. Beauty is in simplicity. It will happen. We'll have to practice more and more. You're doing
no,
well.
I use first time this one, like the beggar not get any helps, like not like, and not even your friends nor
I know,
your
nor.
family members. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
not or
Neither.
nor.
Acha, no, instead of not even, you can say neither. Neither
Neither.
your
Okay.
friends nor your
Need.
family.
Yes, yes, yes.
Neither. सी, यही हमारी इंप्रूवमेंट है. ये छोटे छोटे इंप्रूवमेंट्स ना, दिस इज प्रोग्रेस.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, we have less than a minute now, so we'll have
Last
to
line.
stop. Otherwise, we will. Yes, bolo.
This
Continue.
is this is according to
My.
me. I am not saying anyone to follow these. So
This is
is
not.
it
This
correct?
sentence is only कट कट कीजिए. कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है.
No, I just
Okay.
wanted to know about this, like this is correct or not. I understand this is not.
This is
Uh,
my opinion. I am
mhm.
not asking anybody to follow my opinion. That's all. This is not wrong, but it's not necessary.
Use this.
Instead of according to